hub motor versus the chain motor. So he's here. I'm gonna head start. I'm in the full throttle now. There you go.
Alright, for some reason the video stopped recording, so we're back. Anyway, as I was saying, you guys do not see how steep this is. Oh my god. Alright, let's go down. I'm genuinely curious, because my Talari, I mean, it went up, but it was struggling, so. Like, oh my god, you guys don't, this is like actually, it's not vertical, but it's like straight up. Oh my god. Alright, can we do this? Okay, this is gonna be level 1, that's gonna be level 2. So that's gonna be the decently steep. Like, you guys can't really see how steep this is, but this thing is steep. This one doesn't have as much rubble, so it's definitely gonna be a lot easier to grip, because there's like a lot of sticks here. I don't know what that's about. Just threw every stick down here. This one, oh, this one's definitely like steeper. Like when I look at this one compared to that one, this one's definitely like more straight up. So I'm about to hit that one first, and I'm about to see if I can make it up. It's just on Nerf dart. All right, let's go. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Yo! Guys, I genuinely did not think that would do. I'm serious, I did not think that was gonna make it up. Holy moly. No, you guys don't understand. This thing is like actually like vertical. Like you guys can't see on the camera. Damn, this thing is like, it's just a straight drop. All right, level 2. Okay, this one is definitely way more. And this one has like at the top, it's like curved a bit up. So it's definitely gonna be harder to get up. All right, guys, wish me luck. I'm about to like speed up this. Better go. About to get some traction. All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Please make it up, please make it up, please. Oh my, it made it up, holy moly. Yo, the front tire smacked on something. I don't know if you guys heard that, but some like big ass plank. And I genuinely thought it was about to fall off, and it made it up this thing. This thing is like a straight vertical, and this little bike with like 180 pounds on top still somehow made it up. I always love doing that on gravel. I'll show you guys right here. Am I supposed to? Oh my god. Yo, gotta hold the brake. But damn, this thing went straight up that. Like the camera definitely does not do it justice. Like this thing is a straight, like this one was decently hard. So I was still surprised that it can make up that. But I genuinely thought I was about to fall over on that one right there. Cause that one's like, even that one's like curved up at the top. So it's definitely gonna be harder. I'm not going up that again though. I'm good. I'm gonna stick to this one. But anyway, that just shows you guys like how much like torque this thing has.
By doing the brake check, just a rear brake. Oh, I thought you were gonna slide here, but yeah, all these lanes is just from this little bike. It's insane torque for this. And the rider is, as you can see, it's heavy rider though. And that bike is flying. Sheesh.